Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalpana Singh and I am making videos related to cabin crew interviews and all about cabin crew. As I told you yesterday that we are going to start a session in which we are going to discuss question which is asked in interview. So this video is only perspective to that, and I am going to share two questions with you, and if you have any question you can comment me in the comment section. I will add that question as well in my list, and this video will definitely help you, the beginners who are just started giving interviews, so that will help them a lot. They will get an idea that how to give answer and how to prepare a question for the interview, because there are many girls and boys who are just giving interview for the first time and they are not aware about the question which they ask and how to prepare that answer. So I am here to help you all guys, so please stay with me in this video and I am going to share two questions with you. So the first question is that which is asked in each and every interview. So I am giving to answer on the basis of the cabin crew interviews or ground staff interviews. So what exactly they are looking for. We are not aware about that what exactly they are looking for, but still we can analyze, we can make an observation by giving interviews that what is the exact thing which they are looking for. So I am going to tell you that thing as well. So let's start with the video. So the first question is, tell me about yourself. So in this is the basic question which is asked in each and every interview. So if you will go for any company interview, they will ask you the first question, that tell me about yourself. Tell about yourself. So as per the cabin crew interviews, I am going to give you answer of this question. I will not give you the scripted answer. I will just tell you the how to give answer of this question, and you can make your answer, and also you can text me in the comment section and I will help you with that. And if I find a good answer, I will also read that answer in front of you all guys. So let's start with the answer. So whenever a interviewer asks that tell me about yourself, so she is willing to know about yourself, that what are the skills. So whenever you start this answer, you have to start with a greeting. You have to give a warm greeting to the interviewer. So you can also say that good morning, hello, and please never say hi, because that is not formal. You have to say hello or good morning, good afternoon as per the time. And also you can be like grateful for that. You can start with your answer with saying this line that I'm very grateful to have this opportunity, thank you so much. And you can say that I was looking for this opportunity from very long time and now I get, so I am very happy to get this opportunity. So you have to show the grateful and willingness of this opportunity, that how much this opportunity mean to you. So that is also a good thing. But your introduction should be short and crispy, so you should you can also add, or if you don't want to add, it's all depends on you. Then after that, give your name, whatever is your name. So you have to speak your name, and after that the place from where you belong. So if you the interviewer are listening introduction of many people, so they are looking for something special. So whenever you speak the place from where you are, so if you have something speciality of your place, then you can add that speciality in your introduction. So make sure that speciality should be genuine and it should be famous. So if you belong to a normal district and there is no speciality about that place, so no need to add any speciality. You can just speak the normal, that I am from this place, as I am from Bikaner and it is best known for its snacks, Bikaji Bhujia. So I can add these all things. If someone belong to Kota, then they can say that I belong to Kota, and Kota is known as an educational hub of India. So you can add this speciality, and after that you have to tell them about yourself, how as a person you are. So in this thing you have to tell them that what is your behavior, what kind of person you are. So you can say that I'm a positive person, I always think about positive things, and my positive thinking leads me to think about positive. Like you can share something positive about yourself. You can say that I'm fun loving person, so whenever I go, I create a fun loving environment, therefore people like to talk to me a lot. I'm very interactive. You can say I'm very approachable, I'm very resourceful person, I am solution oriented person, I focus on solution compared to the problem. So they in this question they will ask you some cross question as well. So whatever you say, you must have a genuine reason for that. So if you are approachable, then why you are approachable, why you think that you are approachable. If you're resourceful, then why you are resourceful. So whatever you are adding in your introduction, you must have something related to that. Maybe they will ask you some cross question. And after that, if you like, then we come to the educational qualification. So like in your education, so you have to start with your 12th, so from where you completed your 12th, in which stream you are. And after that you have to come at the if you are pursuing graduation, so you can tell them I'm pursuing graduation in this and this field from this college and this institute. And if you did any diploma, so you can add that as well, the like I completed diploma from this institute in this stream. And like it should be crispy, you don't have to add a lot of things. So if you like in 12th, if you got good marks, like you got 85%, above 80, then you can tell them I completed my 12th from this college in this stream with this much percentage. So that should be a good thing. So like and if you are like this is all about education. And now come to the experience. So whatever experience you are sharing, that should be undocumented and that should be genuine, because they will ask you cross question on your experience as well. So like what you have to say in experience, just tell them I work as a this designation in this place, and there you have to add your work responsibility. So how, what are the work you did there. And I am working in a BPO, so I always I take chats of international clients, and I use my effective communication skill, and also my customer service skills, so that I can provide a seamless and trouble-free gaming experience. Similarly, you can also add something in your experience. Through that they can understand that yes, you did a very great job there. And never say that I am like that, something bad about that job, something negative about that job. So like for whole introduction, you have to be positive only. That is the thing required. And when it's come to the end, so you can add something good line about your ambition, that I'm very passionate to become a cabin crew. I've given this much interview. So like, but that will make your introduction very long. Instead of saying that, you can directly say like you can share your hobbies if you wanted to, and then say that's all about me, thank you so much. And in last also, like if you are not giving if you are not thankful in starting, you can also like end your introduction by saying thank you so much for giving this opportunity. You can also end your introduction in this way. So this is all about the how to introduce yourself. The next question is asked by each and every interview is in cabin crew interviews, is why you wanted to be cabin crew. So like this is a very important question, and I would tell you guys, please focus on this question. I am going to tell you something good about this, so that you can make your answer more good and more like effective, so that it might possible that you will get selected. So let's start with the question. So why you wanted to be cabin crew. So whenever interviewer asks this question, it's mean that they're asking that why you believe that you are eligible for this job, why you think that you are the best candidate for this job. So you have to sell yourself by giving this answer to the interviewer, and you have to tell them that you are the best candidate for this job and why you believe that you wanted to be cabin crew. So like you have to start your answer with this way. So first thing is that introduction, like sorry introduction one. The first thing which is required in this job is confidence. So you have to give this answer very confidently, and you don't have to show the hesitation and flumness on your face. You have to believe yourself, that you believe that you can work as a cabin crew. Like you have to show your belief in front of the interviewer, your passion that you have inside in your heart for becoming a cabin crew. You have to show that as well. And the fourth thing is that like you have to tell them why you are eligible, like what are the skills you have. If you have any experience, then you have to share that experience as well. So like first you have to start with this like I will not tell you to make any stories, because I have seen a lot of girls who always tell them that yes, when I was very young, so on that time once I visited airport, and there I saw a cabin crew and I got very fascinated, and I was like from that time I started to be cabin crew. That is also good. You can start your answer with that as well, but still you have to show your skill, that what are the skills required for the interview. So before giving this answer, I will suggest you to please read the responsibility of a cabin crew and then start. So I will tell you that how to give answer to this question. So first thing is that you have to tell them, I wanted to be cabin crew because I believe that the skills which you have, then you have to tell your skill. And because I believe that I'm very approachable person, I'm very interactive person, and if I will get chance to work in this industry, I can do good compared to any other industry, because you can share your experience, that if you have any customer service experience, so as you worked in any hotel or any restaurant, then you can tell them that as I worked as a guest relation executive in a restaurant, so there I learned how to provide excellent customer service to our customer and how to give a hospitality to our guest. So I believe that this also the same, the responsibility are as almost same, so I can also do very good compared to like any other industry. And I believe that like you have to tell them your skill, your behavior, like you are the like your skills and your interest are suitable for this job, and therefore you wanted to be cabin crew. You have to sell yourself that what you are a responsible person, what are the skills you can add. You can tell them I'm very responsible person, and I believe that if I will get this chance, then the job of cabin crew is also full of responsibility, where we have to take care of 150 passengers on board. And the second thing is that like you can tell them I'm very interactive person and I can interact, I never feel hesitation in interacting people, and I can help them in any way. The third thing is that you can say that I'm so much passionate for this job, because I believe that you can also add your like I love to travel and I never feel bored by traveling, and they will ask you that how much places you travel, so get ready for that answer as well. And the fourth thing is that like you can add that I'm very approachable person. Any person can share their experience, any person can share their query and their trouble which they are facing very easily, and I never make any person feel bad. Like you can add these all things. And also you can add that as I worked in, if you have any previous experience of customer service industry, then you can also add that as I worked in this company and there I given an excellent customer service and awarded for that as well. So I believe that if I will work here, then I will also learn and grow and also use the skills which I have. And because you have to be if you believe that your communication skill is excellent, then you can tell them that I believe that my communication skill is effective and I can understand people needs by communicating to them and by providing them excellent customer service. And I also believe that after getting the training, you can also add that if you are fresher, you don't have any experience, then you can tell them I'm very quick learner, I'm a good listener, and I can learn things very easily. And I believe that after getting training by iFly Academy, I can do great. I can able to stand on the standard of the company, and I can give them service as per the company standard, and I will never make. You can tell these all things to the interviewer, so that they will they feel that passion, that that thing in yourself, and they can able to, because that is different. Because most of the girls say that it's my dream job. When I was very small, that time I decided to be cabin crew. Yeah, that is everyone's dream job, but they are not looking for this. They ask you this question just to know that you are eligible for this job or not, you have that skill for this job or not. So that is also, hope you will get a clear thinking and idea that how to prepare for this answer. And also, if you want me to give you a scripted answer, then please text me in the comment section. And if you want to ask anything else, you can text me in the comment section. I am always here to help you. And also you can share your answer, and you can also text me in the my Instagram account. There also I will give you some information, and also I will help you with giving answer and by listening your answer. And if I find any good answer, I will definitely share with you all guys on my channel, and I will also speak the name of that person who given that answer. Hope you will participate in this, and I would be very grateful and would be very happy and motivated that yes, you are participating in the things which I've shared with you. Thank you so much everyone. Bye and take care. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment section. I am always here for you. Bye bye, take care.